Hey, it's your boy Calvin here. Thanks for checking out the video. Today is December 21st, Friday, 2012. Let's get right into the charts, guys. A beautiful gap down overall in the markets, guys, based off John Boehner's plan B being not going through, not getting enough votes, so ultimately it was canceled, guys. So that caused a major gap down today in the markets, guys. Let's look at Apple first, guys. As you know, I love to trade Apple. Nice little gap down, but everything pretty much recovered off the lows, guys. Let's look at intraday and see why this level held. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the 10-minute intraday chart. I think we're about to close in the next 5 minutes, guys. So let's go right into the pivot and where today the price held. Okay, guys, why did this price hold right here, guys? If we scroll back the hands of time, guys, what do you guys like to see? What do you like to see here, guys? Beautiful pivot breakout, guys. Went right into that level, guys. Pivot before the breakout. Always strong support, guys. I actually wanted to play this, but I never like to play the first 10-minute candle of the day, guys. Just too risky. So I did wait for a pattern, guys. It did make a nice little base off this candle that it made intraday on the 10-minute chart, guys, right here. Zoomed in just a little bit too much, guys. Let me zoom back out, guys. Right there, guys. I missed this nice little base. It made a nice little hammer count, making a nice little base, sideways base, guys. Doji candle kind of set it up with a time count, and look at that blast off, guys. Major green inside bar right here, guys. Inside candles, nice igniting bar, guys. You always like to see this. So when I missed this move, I didn't chase it up here, guys. I knew wait for pattern, but I did miss this move. I was looking to get long here, guys. Just did not get a fill. Nice up move right here, guys. And if you guys know me how I trade, what did I wait for, guys? What did I wait for when you see these big green bars? I waited for a retrace, right? I waited for a retrace into previous resistance, guys. Look at this line here, guys. Into a 618 retrace, guys. Look at that. When you add all this stuff up, guys, it just gives you great risk reward. I scalped it here, guys, for a nice bounce into these moving averages that are sloping down. So I know it's a quick scalp, guys. Okay, guys, quick scalp. Took my money right there, and I sold it right into strength into this moving average, which is the 10 moving average, and we went faded for the rest of the afternoon into the 1 o'clock time frame, guys. This pattern is still in play as long as it doesn't close up below this low here, guys. This pattern is still in play. We retested the 618 retrace. I didn't want to take it on the second hit, but went into the 1 o'clock time frame, guys. So we have price into a 618, previous resistance, pattern, inside bars, and time. We have a time frame of 1 p.m., guys. And look at the rest. Look at the move. And look, if you rode this all the way to the close, guys. Beautiful move, guys. I did scalp this one with, I believe, 515 calls, guys, for a small little profit, a few $100. Took the profit, went lower, so that was the right move. And I missed this move, guys, right here, the low of this pattern. But I did play it selling some puts, guys. Once I saw the chart was looking much better, I decided to sell the 505 put spread, guys. Look, let me show you what I saw, okay, guys. This is what you look for when you're looking for a chart that's recovering, okay, guys. Let me go over this really fast. You have a downtrend right on here, right, guys? But when you see the moving averages starting to flatten out, guys, you start to see the time frame, the 1 o'clock time frame. You're consolidating, making a base over the moving averages, guys, over the VWAP, holding a 618 retrace, guys. This is what you look for. I missed the move. I didn't go long here, but you know the chart is starting to uptrend, guys. So right here, I knew to sell, to be safe, I sold a 505 put spread, okay, guys. So as long as I stayed above 505 by end of the day, it's fine. Look how many lines of support I had. I had all these, the VWAP, all these moving averages. I had this pivot here, that inside bar right here, guys. It had all these levels, guys, to show that that it would hold. Okay, this is support, and the low of the day, obviously support, guys, all the way down to 505. So that was a safe trade. Small premium, but nonetheless, I just wanted one more safe winning trade before the end of the week. Okay, guys. So that was my trades on Apple. Look at Apple surging right now, guys. Beautiful. Right now, guys, if you would have held that, that would have been a great trade if you were able to hold it. It looks like maybe a 330 buy program that hit Apple in the markets, guys. And this is a nice on the hour chart as well, guys. You gotta look all these time frames, guys. On the hour chart, you also have a nice, beautiful inside bar pattern, guys. Let me just pull this down so you can see it more clearly, guys. Right there in Apple, and this looks like some short covering or something right now because Apple is just surging, absolutely surging. So you have a nice inside bar and then nice green bar and the inside bars, and now you're getting a nice follow through to the upside, guys. Beautiful trade here, guys. So that was my trades on Apple for today. Beautiful thing. Okay, guys, let's look at Amazon fairly quickly before I go, guys. Just want to do a quick update. I know I haven't done a video in a while, guys. Just been a little bit busy with the holidays, guys, and been traveling quite a bit, so didn't have a chance to do one of these videos, guys. Just to let you know, I'm still here. I'm still doing videos, so I'm still gonna update you guys with some of these videos. Okay, I'm gonna make it nice and short, guys. But let me go over Amazon fairly quickly here. Yesterday, I sold a sell strangle, guys, which is just pretty much selling a call and a put at the same time. I sold a 270 call and I sold a 250 put. The 250 put was a little scary because if the 250, I knew 250 was very important. So if it broke, then that's a very clear stop out, because that's pretty much a breakdown, a clear breakdown. If we close below that level, below the 247, that would be a nice breakdown candle signal to the downside. Would probably signal, let me see what's the next support on Amazon. Pretty much, let me scroll back. Let's see here. It looks like this actually is a good area right here, guys. This this with the 20-day moving average, guys, I believe it's 240 something. But the levels did hold, guys. I was a little scared because of the gap down today, but I knew Amazon was a strong stock, guys. So had no problem doing that sell strangle. Nice profit right there. Right here is the level, guys, that had a hold. 251 with a 20 moving average. That was my stop out. Ultimately, we had gap fill as well here, gap window, and ultimately it held above the 10 and 20-day moving average, guys. So this is the chart you want to look at. You know, strong stocks, guys. Well, everything's at the low of the charts, like Apple, even Google is making a bearish retracement. And look at Amazon. Amazon's showing really good relative strength, guys. Very at the 52-week high. So Amazon is showing a lot of strength here, guys. So I had no trouble doing the sell strangle, guys. Worked out perfectly, guys. This was my range, guys. You want to see it visually. 270, guys, was my level right here, guys. I'm making it in red. So just so you could visually see how much room I have to with the range that I was expecting. Okay, guys. If it just changes to 250, that was my range, guys. So it was a pretty nice range, guys, for one day. I did sell it yesterday. So how sell strangles work, guys? As long as it stays in that range, you collect premium for both of those kinds. Look, it stayed beautifully in that range. I didn't think it was gonna go up there. I didn't think it was gonna go down here. So that's how it works. That's when you think a stock's range bound, it's a nice little strategy. Even though with a big gap down today, it's still held stress-free money. Okay, guys. So that was my trades for the week, guys. Did little scalps earlier in the week. Didn't turn out that great. So actually what ended up as a flat week, but you know, number one thing is capital preservation, guys. That's the number one thing. Profit second. Don't be scared to miss out. That's the lesson I learned this week. There's always opportunities, guys. Opportunities are unlimited, guys, but your capital is always going to be limited. So always take the best chart setups, guys. Be patient. Sit on your hands when the charts tell you, and you guys will all do fine. I think that's all I wanted to go through today, guys. Not much to talk about. But I think the market just closed, so you know, I think that's the signal for me to go. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a very nice Happy New Year. I will talk to you guys later, and have a great one. Okay, guys, talk to you later. Peace.